Yeah, hello my people. This is Caesar Morris again from Banjo Superstore, LIB number one online store that help you buy your everyday supplies and have them delivered to your door. Today I will be walking you through how to access Banjo Superstore, our website, how to access it on a mobile device, that includes the IO or the iPhone or the Android phone. This applies to mobile phones in general. So this is the site. You just load it in your browser. It's mobile responsive. Just scroll on the screen. You can scroll by swapping the screen. Swap meaning you rubbing on the screen, and it will go with ease. And that's how simple it is. You can browse on the different pages, the different items. Just swap the screen and you're good to go. You can either swap left or right, vertical or horizontal, and you can navigate that easy on the screen to get to where you want to go to. It's pretty easy. And let's go to a product page right now. So let me just talk about this page. On this page, I want to emphasize that this logo right here is a button that takes you back to the home page at all times. Right here you can type in anything here and you search for it and you will find that thing. This is the category. You can check in here and all of the different categories are listed here. You can also click on this menu option to find a different home page, shop, and those different places. Go to your account. You can do that right from this menu. So don't forget, it's pretty easy to use. Now on the image, if you touch this image right here on the product page where you can buy your item, if you touch this image right here, it will only zoom. That's all. It will zoom in, zoom out, and the idea is to give you a better quality of the image so you can see things in a larger form. But when you click on this image on the product page, it will not move. This in between here, right in between here where you see the space between the screen and the image, bring your fingers close to the edge of the screen and the image. That's the only way you can scroll on the product detail page. The product detail page is that page you go to buy the item. The catalog page that we're just browsing on is a page where you go to view things in the catalog form. Now on this page, if you click on this image, it only zooms. It will not allow you to scroll down. So take note of that. So in this case, we're going to see how it works. So I'm going to touch the image so you see it. I'm going to touch the image. Let me set this thing up properly. Okay, so don't forget, right in here I'm touching the image right now and it's just zooming. It can't scroll for me. I have to click on this line, right on this line, to the edge of the screen. That's it, the edge of the screen. On the other side, the edge of the screen, that's the only way it will scroll down for you. Now this right here is the only way that it will work for you. You see it? It will zoom. It will not move. Edge of the screen, and you will be good to go. So right here, if you wanted to buy this item, you select the option from in here and you hit add to cart. If you want to change the quantity to whatever number, you change it from right here and you hit add to cart and you should be good to go. So it's that easy. Right now I'm changing it to 100 pounds. As you can see, the image just changed. I can zoom it, come back and change it to small bag. The image has changed to 25 kg, as you can see, and that's it. Is that simple. I can just now click on the button that says add to cart, and once I click on that button, I've now added this to my cart. And I can process this for payment instantly if I want to, and everything should be fine. This is just to show you how it works. So now I just bought this item. I can scroll down the page, see the other items there, and it's that simple. Just swap on the screen. That's it. Swap on the screen. On the product detail page, you swap to the edge of the screen, and you scroll. So I'm clicking on the image again, the logo, to go to the home page, and from the home page I should be able to see everything in the category again, and I can browse in this category in a mobile responsive form. This will work on any mobile device, Android phone, iOS apps. It will work perfectly like this. Just swap the screen and you are good to go. Thank you, Liberia. Thank you for the comment. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, George, Uncle Sam. We really appreciate this. Anytime you comment about something, we will respond. I can promise you that. So this is it. It's that simple. It will zoom in. It will not stroll for you. Put your fingers on the edge. It will stroll for you. So you select the option or which one you want, and you should be good to go. It's that easy. Thank you, Liberia.